Hey guys, welcome to QT Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the letter A from alphabet lore in the leaning to the side pose. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shape of the body. At the top of the page, let's draw a curved line on an angle. Now from the right side, let's draw a long curve down, bringing it out, in, and then back out at the bottom like this. Then let's hop over to the left slightly and draw another curve down for the other side of the leg. And now let's connect it at the bottom. Now from the top of this line, let's bring it over to the left. Now let's hop back up to the top, and from the bottom of the left line, let's bring it down, curving it over and back down like this. Now let's hop underneath that middle line and draw a curve down to the left and down. And then close off the bottom on the left side. And now that we got the basic shape of the letter A, we can move in and draw the face next. Let's start by drawing the left eye. Overlapping the side here, let's draw a rounded rectangle. And let's do the same thing for the right eye over here. Next, let's erase the overlapping lines inside each eye. Next, inside each eye, let's draw a curve across the middle. And then underneath these lines, a rounded rectangle shape towards the right side. And then color both of these in black. And that's it for the eyes. Lastly, let's draw the mouth in between. Let's start inside next to the right eye and draw a vertical line here. Then let's draw two diagonal lines down to the left. And then connect them at the bottom. And lastly, let's add 3 lines inside for the teeth. And that's it for the letter A. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!